Hello friends, today I am going to discuss some important questions and answers of them from Code of Civil Procedure 1908. These questions are generally asked in the examination, so it is very important for you to read this very carefully and just memorize. It is given in short, but you can extend on the basis of these short answers. So let us start. Question number one. What is the meaning and object of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908? The answer will be the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 is the procedural law that regulates the conduct of civil cases in India. Its main objective is to provide a uniform procedure for fair, speedy, and efficient justice in civil matters. It defines the process of filing suits, issuing summons, trial, and execution of decrees. The Code ensures that justice is delivered according to law while preventing misuse of judicial process. It consists of 51 orders, 158 sections, and the first schedule contains orders and rules. Now, question number 2. Explain the concept of res judicata under section 11 of CPC. So answer is res judicata means a matter already decided by a competent court cannot be read between the same parties. Section 11 of CPC embodies this principle to avoid multiple suits on the same issue. So it promotes finality of judgments and prevents wastage of court time. The essential conditions are: number one, the matter must have been directly and substantially in issue between the same parties, and third, decided by a competent court. This principle of res judicata is based on public policy to ensure judicial efficiency. Now question number 3. What is the difference between judgment and order under CPC? The answer will be, according to the Code of Civil Procedure, a judgment which comes under section 29 of CPC is the statement given by a judge on the grounds of a decree or order. It contains reasons and conclusions determining the rights and liabilities of the parties. Whereas an order which comes under section 214 of CPC is the formal expression of any decision of a civil court which is not a decree. In short, we can say every judgment leads to a decree, but every order does not. Now question 4. Define decree under the Civil Procedure Code 1908. The answer will be, a decree is defined in section 22 of the CPC Code of Civil Procedure as the formal expression of an adjudication by a court which conclusively determines the rights of the parties with regard to all or any of the matters in controversy in the suit. It excludes any interlocutory orders. The decree must be capable of execution. The next question is, what is suit of civil nature under the CPC? According to section 9 of the CPC, which states that all suits of a civil nature, except suits which are expressly or impliedly barred, fall within the jurisdiction of civil courts. A civil suit concerns rights and liabilities of individuals and includes disputes related to property, contracts, torts, and family matters. Now, question 6. Explain the importance of section 80 under CPC. Answer will be Section 80 CPC mandates that before suing the government or a public officer for action done in their official capacity, a written notice must be served to them at least 2 months prior. This provision aims to provide the government an opportunity to settle or avoid litigation and protect public interest. Question number 7. What are the modes of execution of a decree under CPC? According to Order 21 of CPC, where it said it lays down different modes to execute a decree, such as delivery of possession, attachment and sale of property, arrest and detention in civil person, appointment of a receiver, and sale of movable, immovable property as per decree. Now the last question is, mention the provisions related to temporary injunction under CPC. Order 39 of CPC empowers courts to grant temporary injunction to maintain the status quo or prevent irreparable injury during the pendency of a suit. So temporary injunctions are critical to protect parties' interests until the final decision is made. So friends, this is all about the questions of CPC. I have I have discussed in a very short, but you can elaborate it according to your choice. So thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe this channel.